Hey guys, it's me, Cindy Lynn, and I'm here to tell you about my Moxie fitness channel at moxie.xyz/fiestadancers. So if you don't already know, I am donating 10% of my monthly subscription earnings from my Moxie channel from now through the end of December 2020 to Taki's Animal Shelter. Taki's Shelter is a really awesome shelter in Greece, and I want to eventually get there too, as well, and adopt some dogs from him and meet the man himself. So, if you love to dance and work out, then please join my channel, subscribe to my subscriptions, and you'll get to do some fun Samba style workouts, belly dance fitness workouts, Tahitian dance workouts, as well as hula. You'll learn some hula, both traditional and modern hula. So I hope to see you guys there. And don't forget to follow my channel on Instagram at Kanikia LK or YouTube at Fiesta Dancers. Thank you so much for your support.